8-day-old newborn was found to have TSH level of more than 100 milliunits per liter. Which of the following will be the next best investigation? तो यहाँ पर you have been given कि एक बच्चा है, अब TSH level is very high, that means the child has hypothyroidism, and since the child has this condition since birth, because the child is only 8-day-old, तो वी वुड लेबल इट एज कंजेनिटल हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म. तो यहाँ पे हमसे पूछा गया है कि कंजेनिटल हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म के बारे में कि व्हाट वुड बी द नेक्स्ट बेस्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन टू डू. सो यू हैव बीन गिवन यूरिन आयोडीन एक्सक्रीशन, जो हम नहीं करते हैं, सो दिस वुड बी अ बिग नो. सीरम थायराइड रिसेप्टर एंटीबॉडी, कंजेनिटल हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म में फर्स्ट इन्वेस्टिगेशन ये नहीं होती है, सो दिस वुड नॉट बी डन. रेडियो ट्रेसर अपटेक विद टेक्नीशियम, दिस इज व्हाट वी यूजुअली डू फॉर आइडेंटिफाइंग द कॉज ऑफ कंजेनिटल हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म, सो सी वुड बी द करेक्ट आंसर. परक्लोरेट सिक्रीशन टेस्ट, वी ऑल्सो डू नॉट डू इट कॉमनली. तो कंजेनिटल हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक. इवैल्यूएशन ऑफ अ चाइल्ड विद कंजेनिटल हाइपोथायरॉइडिज्म is often asked in your NEET PG exams. So you need to be well versed. How do you diagnose congenital hypothyroidism and what all investigations do you do to find the exact cause? So we have a flow chart here कि congenital hypothyroidism का radiological evaluation आप कैसे करेंगे. So the first thing would be thyroid scan, जैसा कि हमारे question में पूछा गया था what would be the next best investigation. इंडिया में जो हम thyroid scan करते हैं वो technetium 99 से करते हैं. So this was asked in the question. अगर thyroid scan आपने किया and you get to see an ectopic uptake of your diet, तो उससे हमें ये पता चल जाएगा that the child is located on an ectopic site, that means this is ectopic thyroid. Or if the uptake is increased, uptake increase होने का मतलब क्या है, the gland is working very hard to make hormone but it is not able to do so, so the defect would be in the generation of the hormone itself. So the child would have thyroid dyshormonogenesis, where you have a defective enzyme which leads to deficient hormone production. And then you can have a condition where there is no uptake on thyroid scan. So if there is no uptake on thyroid scan, you go on to do USG, ultrasound of the gland, and you see whether the gland is actually present there or not. No uptake means that the gland is not functioning at all, and you need to see whether the gland is present or it is not. So for that you do USG. USG में आपको पता चल जाएगा whether the gland is visualized or the gland is not visualized. तो अगर आपके thyroid scan पे भी there was no uptake और USG में भी you are not seeing any gland, इसका मतलब there is no gland itself, the thyroid agenesis. और अगर आपको USG पे you are seeing gland but you are not seeing an uptake on thyroid scan, that means the gland is not functioning well. This can be either due to maternal antibodies or there can be some iodine uptake defects, जिसकी वजह से the thyroid scan पे अगर आप gland को देखना चाह रहे हैं, you are not able to see that. So this is a very very important table. This is often repeated and this is very simple to understand. So